2024 validity for MDK test is okay or wrong?
I think it is absolutely wrong according to 2022 BMDC.
Suggestion you want to give to the upcoming generation, those who will be giving MDK test?
My suggestion to all young aspirants is that if you are interested in medical field, then you should join. If you are not interested, if you are enforced by your parents, then you should not join medical field.
Assalamu alaikum, welcome back again. I have bring something else for you, and again I am back with the same thought that MDK takes. Right now the MDK had become a huge matter for the upcoming generation and students which are preparing. So right now I am with Rashid Ali Gopang, who have also given MDK test, and in front of me is I am a student. For me, he's a talented guy in library, and so I have just requested Rashid Ali Gopang to give a brief introduction for those who will give the test for MDK upcoming MDK generation. So Rashid Ali Gopang, would you like to introduce first yourself?
Yes, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Rashid Ali. My class Gopang. I'm from district of Basharatpur. I had given 2025 MDK attempt. So recently I have just given that attempt. My score was 142 out of 180, and my score was alhamdulillah better, but due to some reasons I can't be got selected in MDK 2025 MDK attempt. There were some reasons. As per my perception, these were the failure of our system, not by the students.
Okay, you can say about the MDK, or not MDK, but his introduction. Now I would like to ask from him that, sir, could you like to tell me about your journey, from where you start your MDK journey, from which class and which books, and how you prepare yourself for MDK test?
First of all, I want to tell MDK to students, MDK journey is so unfair as we thought. It's so different because when you start your study from intermediate session, absolutely from 9th metric, then first year, then inter, you study a lot. In after metric, in first year, in second year, in your intermediate, when you select the fields, just like engineering or medical, because we all students have given this only two perspectives: either you are going to become a doctor, either you are going to become an engineer. Always, I think it's a bad luck and bad thought produced by our system to students that these are only two fields, but that's wrong. First of all, that's the drawback of our system, and that's the failure of our education system. They had only given limited thoughts, because every student is not eligible to become an engineer, to become a doctor. There are a lot of fields, there are a lot of creative works which a student can do. Simply going onward towards MDK journey, I want to say that when you start from 9th class, metric class, you study, then first year, then inter. In that journey, that comes the academic session. Unfortunately, in our government institution, there's not any good convincing environment for MDK to students so they can prepare. We go towards the privatization centers, academic coaching centers, which I think where you invest a lot of your investment at that time, just like 40,000 or 45,000.
Sir, I have heard whatever you told, but in all situation, in all criteria, the whole answer which you have given, on these all things, I just one thing I understood it. I think you have passed from so difficult circumstances and so difficult situation you have passed. Is you have gone to the privatization center and you have afforded a huge amount when you have invested on that thing. Sir, according to you, would you like to tell me that which path you have taken? Or I think you have taken a difficult path, but I heard that you just become fail. It is not the fail, but you just remain back because of few marks. You are passed, but you can't get a merit seat in government colleges. So what would be the reason that you just remain back? Means which thing make you to remain back in this situation or in the test इट मेक यू बैक. आपको किस चीज़ ने आपको मतलब ना पीछे कर दिया? आप इतनी सरकमटेंसी से आप गुजरे हैं, आपने इतनी फ़ी भी अफोर्ड की है, आपने इतनी मेहनत भी की है, तो आपने किस चीज़ में आप पीछे रह गए? ये भी आप कुछ ऑडियंस को बताएंगे मैं किस चीज़ पे रह गया, एंड आप इस चीज़ को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए व्हाट यू शुड डू.
ठीक है, सबसे पहले तो ये जो हमारा माइंड सेट है, जो हमारा थॉट का क्राइटेरिया बनाया गया है पहले से ही कि जो स्टूडेंट एमडीकेट में सेलेक्ट नहीं होता वो फेलियर है.
या
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू आस्क सम a genuine question from all MDCAT aspirants and all from medical institute. You have met the criteria that 90 plus marks, if a student achieve 90 marks, he is eligible for BDS. You have met this criteria for MDCAT, and 99 marks are the passing marks for MBBS.
MBBS.
90 marks
According
for
to the
BDS
government.
and 99 marks for MBBS.
According to the government rules.
I want to ask this same question from medical institution and from the government. If you have made this criteria for passing marks, then why students are not eligible for it? Just because I have not just met this criteria. Government had made this criteria that if a student is getting 90 marks, he is eligible for BDS. If a student is achieving 99 marks, he is eligible for MBBS. But still, you are not failure. You had passed out. This is the mistake of our education system. Because you said that there is a lot of competition, seats are limited. Why seats are limited? Why seats are limited? You should construct a lot of MDCAT colleges in your division.
Then you mean it's about private.
I does not mean giving you a perspective of private medical college. I want to suggest government. I want to give request to the
Hey, you are requesting the government.
that build up a lot of medical colleges
Acha.
in your towns. Just like I
Means
belongs to
they
Larkana
should
division.
increase government
Yes,
seats.
government seats. I belong to Larkana division. So there should be a lot of medical colleges.
You are just blaming on government. That
Yes,
because of
yes,
government
yes.
you just felt. Means remain back.
Yes, I'm not blaming. It's very clarification. You can see in foreign, if any student got passing marks, that's the responsibility of government. That government should give him seat.
Acha, in Pakistan they are just giving to the few people.
Few people, why? That's
Those who have
injustice.
passed like in
I want to say that that's the failure of government. Why government is not increasing seats? I'm just giving you example. Just suppose I belong to district commercial hospital. There are only 45 seats all across state in different medical colleges.
And-
just like 26 for CMC, 8 seats for GIMS, Government Medical College, and 5 for Kharagpur Medical College and 6 for Pond. In overall saying, you have only limited seats, 45 seats for district commercial hospital. Is this injustice or not?
Means we want to give petition.
There are 7 other towns, talukas in Kambar, 7 cities. A lot of,
Okay,
just
sir.
like 5,000 students have given attempt.
Okay,
That's
sir.
not injustice.
I think you are giving the suggestion or requesting, and this is the responsibility of government. That they should
Increase seats.
increase the seats.
Build up a lot of medical colleges.
What about validity of 3 years? I think I asked from you this question, the validity of 3 years.
Yes. Before starting that session, I have already told you that's absolutely wrong. According to PMDC 2022 policy act, that score should be valid for 3 years.
Sir,
That's literally injustice.
सर बट ये तो injustice है ना, जो फ्रेशर आ रहे हैं उनके लिए injustice है. सर व्हाट अबाउट PMDC जो पेपर लीक होता है, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू हाईलाइट समथिंग ऑन PMDC policy that whenever they are conducting this paper is being out, paper is being leaked, would you like to highlight on this thing कि पेपर लीक होता है या लीक हम करते हैं या किस तरह आउट होता है? इस पर माई नॉलेज में भी मैंने आई हैव इवन माई सेल्फ आई हैव सीन 2024 पेपर जो लीक हुआ था, रिकंडक्ट MDCAT नॉट बिफोर डेट जो सितंबर में हुई थी. आप
When
इस
now
पे-
conducted that test.
आप उन पे क्या बोलेंगे? आप व्हाट यू वांट टू हाईलाइट?
जी, आपने बहुत बेहतरीन क्वेश्चन पूछा कि MDCAT पेपर अगर लीक होता है तो वो किसकी जिम्मेदारी है. मैं पहले आपको याद दिलाना चाहता हूँ 2021 में जब PMDC नहीं थी, PMC थी. आई थिंक दे हैड कंडक्टेड वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एग्जाम. देयर वाज डिजिटल एग्जाम, देयर वाज अ टेस्ट ऑनलाइन, and there were tablet and laptops. That was online test.
Computer based.
I appreciate them. That was very best. After 2021 and 2022, that scenario was different. The provinces had the students of different provinces protested against PMC that there should not be just like that scenario.
Sir, in shortly, would you like to give suggestion to the MD aspirant? How should they prepare? Which type of books they should take? In very shortly in the passage.
First of all, I want to refer them that they should study their own syllabus, own textbooks, according to their province. Just like students from Sindh, STB, Sindh textbook. First of all, they should follow, and secondly, they should study very carefully their from federal books. From federal books. First of all, your textbook, then federal books. That's very.
Sir, you have told each and everything. Sir Rashid Ali Gopang have told you each and everything from the beginning till the end. I hope you have learned something from this video. And inshallah, next time I will come with another thought. Inshallah, thank you so much for this time. Thank you.